I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must be signed in and your phone number verified before you start. Open Google Pay and make sure the app is updated. Old versions block some offer flows. Once done, navigate directly to Home, then Offers, or tap Profile and choose Invite Friends. You need the referral code handy. It's a short alphanumeric string. Enter it at the prompt now. Doing this early prevents losing the bonus eligibility. Make sure your account country and KYC status meet the referral terms so the code will apply. When you see Enter Referral Code, tap it and type the code exactly as provided. Small differences like O versus 0 or I versus 1 will cause rejection. Once entered, hit Apply and watch for the confirmation toast or on-screen message. That confirms the app accepted the code. Next, complete any pending KYC or verification steps such as PAN or Aadhaar linking, because many referrals require verified wallets to credit the bonus. After verification, check offers or wallet balance to see provisional credit. Finish the required qualifying action, usually a first payment, bill, or bank link, because the referral bonus often posts only after that transaction clears. Then, check offers and transaction history for the credited amount or a pending status. Notifications may explain timing or expiry. If you don't see the bonus after the stated window, reopen the referral section to confirm the code was recorded. Retry entering it if allowed. And contact Google Pay support with screenshots. A single troubleshooting tip: verify both accounts met the same offer terms before blaming the code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.